we're going to do this drill is, whoever's with the child doing the drill is going to call out different signals, okay? When they're saying green, that's when you're going to jog with the ball, okay? Then on amber, you're going to walk with the ball. And then on red, you're going to stop, put your foot on top of the ball, okay? And the last signal is a petrol station. That's when you quickly jump and sit on top of the ball. This is a drill that is popular for our 4 to 5 year olds. But if you're older or younger, you're more than welcome to give it a try. For this, you want to try and encourage the children to go in all different directions. You want to also make sure that they are using their laces at all times. Always their laces, and you want to make sure they're nice, close, little touches. We are going to be using only our right foot for 1 minute and then rest for 30 seconds. And then we're going to be using only our left foot for 1 minute and then rest for 30 seconds. We are repeating this 3 times. After you've done that, to make it harder, we are going to move on to this. So as you can see, we've added cones into our area. But you don't have to use cones, you can be as creative as you like, using bottles, shoes, anything really. So, on green, we're going to be jogging around the area, trying to avoid all of the cones that are in the way. On amber, you're going to walk around, still avoiding the cones. And on red, you want to stop straight away, out of the way of the cones. And last one, on petrol station, you want to jump, sit on the ball away from the cones. If you are dribbling around on green and you knock a cone, you have to do 5-star jumps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then start chucking around the area again.
Green. Amber. Green. Red. Good, well done, Callum. Right, green. That's a good job. Keep using that right foot. Nice small touches, keep it controlled. Petrol station. Sit on the mud, sit on the mud.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe.